Hey everyone, Mike here in the BFH Garage, and guess what? I'm giving away a bunch of free stuff. Why? It's because of you, my viewers. You have made my channel a huge success. I have just turned 25,000 subscribers, and I can't think of a better way to thank you than to give away a bunch of free stuff. So what is the Big BFH Garage Giveaway? Really simple, like I said, it is my way to show you thanks for all of the support. What I have here, everything on the table in front of me, I'm giving away. That includes the BFH Garage logoed water bottles. That includes the BFH Garage logo coffee tumblers. That includes 4 soft shackles, various colors, rated at 25,000 pounds. That includes a bunch of BFH Garage stickers. I have some artwork, and I also have, I don't want to give this away, but I'm going to. I also have this custom shadow box. This has CJ gauges mounted on rusted steel metal. And if you're a true Jeeper like me, you're going to appreciate the fact that I reset that odometer to 1941. This piece I really want to keep. I gave one away early on in my channel. It wasn't as good as this one. This one here is truly a piece of art. I want to keep it. In fact, it inspired me to make another one that's over there underneath my Willie's wagon. So these things are really, really cool. Whoever wins this, you're going to be lucky, that's for sure. So how do you enter? It's really easy, and there's a couple of ways to do this. From now until September 15th, 2024, what I need you to do is drop a comment down below on this video. Comments on my other videos will not be eligible for prizes. The second way to enter is to go to my daughter's channel, Mind and Company on YouTube, and I need you to drop a comment on a video called Prep for Denver's First Friday Artwork. And I'm going to put a link right below in the description to make sure you get to the right channel. Drop a comment there about the BFH Garage, and that will be another entry into this contest. I want to be clear, inappropriate comments will be deleted and not eligible for prizes. Pay attention to this part right here. When the contest concludes and I draw the winners, I'm going to make a second video announcing those winners. You will receive further instructions at that time on how to claim your prize. I want to be very clear, I'm covering the shipping, everything. All you have to do is enter and you could possibly win one of these prizes. Really simple. With that being said, I've had videos in the past where I was trying to give away a CJ grill, and I had multiple people chosen that never claimed it, and I kept going to the next person until finally somebody claimed the grill. So don't miss your opportunity to get one of these fantastic prizes. Hit that bell, and by doing so, you'll be notified of new content, including the video that announces the winners. You don't want to miss out on that opportunity. Thank you for 25,000 subscribers, and good luck.